Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you know, I bought this neglected Audi TT. When I bought it, I noticed there was a really loud blowing in the exhaust. So when I put my hand, when the engine's running, I put my hand down behind the engine and I can feel a blow. So I'm really hoping it's, I don't know, you can't really see down there, but I'm really hoping it's the gasket in between the manifold and the turbo. So today I'm actually going to go ahead and change the gasket. To actually get to the gasket, I believe I'm just going to need to take off the charge pipe, the silicone pipe off the top of the turbo just for access. I'm going to have to take off the strut brace, and just on the manifold there's actually 3 bolts holding the turbo to the manifold. So once I've taken them out, I should be able to just slide in the gasket and put everything back together. So hopefully that goes to plan. I've actually got a second-hand power steering pump as well, because I'm not sure if I mentioned it, but the power steering is really stiff. So I will be attempting it with a second-hand pump that was found just in the garage. So hopefully it works. It doesn't seem seized or anything like that, and I've got a new belt as well, brand new belt. So hopefully in this video I can start preparing the car for an MOT. So as you can see, I've gone ahead, took off the charge pipe and the strut brace just to gain access to these 3 bolts holding the turbo to the manifold. Once I've cracked them, hopefully I can just push down the turbo just a little bit and slide out the gasket. Fingers crossed the manifold isn't split or the flexi on the downpipe's not split. But I'm going to start with the gasket first, as that's where it seems like the air is coming from. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So it's actually been a few days later, nearly a week later now, since I've last touched the Audi TT. Due to my partner having our second child, so I've been very caught up with that. The 3 bolts on the manifold that I went to remove, 2 of them come out perfect. One of them, however, was really seized, and the head of the bolt actually snapped in half, so I couldn't get a good bite on it. I've tried everything, like hitting smaller sockets onto it, trying to turn it, and it just keeps slipping. So I'm waiting for a heads up on when I can get the car towed to my father-in-law's garage so he can weld a nut onto it and take it out that way. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead, take the wheels off, do the brakes, the rear brakes. I'll see if I've got time today to do the front pads. And yeah, it's a bit of a change throughout the video, but hopefully it all goes well. So I've just unbolted the caliper with these two 13mm bolts holding it onto the carrier. As you can see, the difference in the 2 pads is quite a lot, so they are definitely due a change. I'm going to go ahead, wind back in the piston, swap over the disc. I'll probably have to take off the carrier as well. So no one can tell me that they've ever changed a set of brakes without this little grub screw here rounding off or snapping. So I'm not sure why people do it up so tight. It's literally just to line the holes up, because essentially the wheel nuts hold on the disc as well. So I'm not sure why people decide to go ahead and do that up so tight, where you need to get a drill and drill out the screw. Just like that. the disc is off. Let's see if I need to remove the carrier. Nope. Happy. So another 45 minutes later. These are the discs that I ordered from, where did I get them from? Autodoc. And as you can see, they're just solid discs, the original were vented. So yeah, I think they've just recommended me the wrong part for my registration, and I've only just noticed. So I've just had to shoot off to my local parts dealer, and I've just bought some so-say genuine, or as good as genuine, new discs. So an extra 75 quid later, but I'll see if I can contact Autodoc for a refund. I doubt it, because I've took them all out of the box now and I've got them covered in a bit of crap, but hey ho, they were only cheap anyway, because they had a big sale on, so it was like 30 quid, which kind of makes sense now because these were 81 quid. So it is what it is. I'll go ahead and get these fitted, and yeah. So that's both sides of the rear brakes done. I just need to do the front pads, which is easy enough. Once the wheel's off, it should just be a couple of bolts, pull the caliper off, put the pads in, off you go, clean everything up. Always torque your wheels to spec, because the last thing you need is the wheel overtaking you while you're heading down your motorway. So that's everything for today on the neglected Audi TT. I will be uploading a video soon of potentially some new wheels and getting that seized bolt out of the turbo. Hopefully it all goes well. Like I said, I'm just waiting on an update of when I can get the car trailered to my father-in-law's garage. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video, because I'm going to be buying a new set of wheels with some half good tyres on, just to get it through the MOT, which works out about the same sort of price as what it would if I was to buy 4 new tyres. I will probably have to be giving them a refurbish, just a quick tidy up. So yeah, I will be documenting everything regarding that as well. If you like and subscribe, that'd be great. It really helps me out. I'm a new channel and just doing something I genuinely quite enjoy. Yeah, so keep tuned for the next video.